All right, we're packed up and we're ready. We're for election weekend, or whatever you want to call it. 1st of November, we are heading up to Asheville. This year we got season passes to Biltmore, and then Corona happened and it was closed, and so we haven't been able to use them that much. But this weekend we are, I guess this early week, we just finished church, and now we are headed up to Asheville to Mama Gertie's Hideaway. Has great reviews, and we will stay there, kind of hang out and do campfire and stuff tonight. Tomorrow, all day at the Biltmore house, and then Monday night there. Tuesday, we will check out, and we'll go to the mall and do some shopping all day Tuesday. Catherine and I have early voted because we're going to be out of town, so we don't have to rush home for Tuesday. So, going to be an awesome trip. I'm looking forward to it. First trip of the fall. Kind of cold right now. Matter of fact, it's supposed to be 30 tonight. So looking forward to getting into some cold weather. So let's load up. Let's get out of here.
Wow! Come on, move along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow.
Down below freezing. So one of the things you do if you're in an RV and it's below freezing at night is you have to unhook your water line and drain it out, turn the water spigot off at the park site so that nothing freezes and busts overnight. So right now we're going to walk across to the other side of the RV, go ahead and take care of that. Found a nice tree to hang in so that the water will drain out of there and not freeze. So spigot's off. Now we can go back inside. Good morning. After a cold night, temperature is up to 36 right now. So we'll go outside and hook the water back up so that everybody can take showers this morning and not pull off the fresh tank. So, here's our hose that we put up in the tree to keep it from draining. And now we will. There's that. Water onto the coach. Now we got water back. All right, so we just parked here at Biltmore, and now we're walking down to the house. There's Kat. Hello, Catherine. And Paxton got a leaf.
A giant one.
And Patrick. And Pepe. She's bundled. So walking from the parking lot down to the house. at the STEHL Cafe. Absolutely 2 thumbs up. Really, really good. Highly encourage you, if you come here, to get the burger. BLT looked really good as well. The fries were amazing. We have destroyed it and taken a to-go bag back to the RV. So STEHL Cafe at Biltmore, definitely good stuff. So Pay, what do you think?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Paxton, is it good? So Catherine and Patrick have gone over to do some shopping while we wait for the bill. Well, we have sufficiently visited the Biltmore today, and now we're headed down to the other part of Biltmore where we were going to ride bikes, but it's just too cold. All right, we're heading into the barnyard. Woohoo!
They're chickens. Okay, stop looking. He's dead. A dead chicken.
Where?
That chicken's on top of the other one and poking his neck.
Trying to tell him to wake up.
Is it dead? That's nice. Well, it might be.
It's dead.
That's tough.
Should we tell the farmer it's dead? Oh, he's not dead. Guys, he woke up. He woke up. He got up. Are they off?
What? What? What?
Rooster.
What about it?
Why are you filming me about it?
Because do you know what was going on?
What? For real?
Yes.
Oh.
What, Mom?
Are you sure?
100%. That chicken got up after that rooster got off.
What happened? What happened, Dad?
Oh, they were cuddling.
They were kissing?
I'll take home a chicken. You want to take home a chicken? Huh? No.
You can buy chicks for 2 for $5.
I know, right? And there's where the forge would get super hot. And then there is an anvil. Well, you can smell the forge. Yep. That's this morning we're gonna run the trash down to the trash can.
In 1 mile, take exit 53B on the right to I-240 West, then keep left.
Alright, here at the outlet malls in Asheville, spending the day just shopping. Parked the RV in the parking lot. I'm hanging out with Patrick and Paxton, and Mommy and Peyton are doing their girl stuff at Bath & Body Works right now. So now we've left some of the outlets, and now we're walking into Sportsman's Warehouse. It's kind of like a scaled down version of Cabela's. Looking forward to it though. It's always a good place for boys to hang out. We're taking a break. Patrick right there, and Paxton right there. Alright, so we're outside now. The girls are still shopping in Vineyard Vines. We're just chilling, waiting for them to get done, because then we're going where?
To the cake studio.
We're going to the cake studio, because we need some cake. Alright, so we're here at the cake studio. It is awesome. So Paxton got some of the apple cinnamon pie ice cream, and he is devouring it. And then Peyton got a funnel cake that they're still working on. And then Mommy got some...
These. I got those. Strawberry cupcakes.
strawberry cupcakes. Here, look.
What?
There it is. Strawberry cupcakes.
I haven't been on there.
And then there, Patrick got... He went next door to Aunt Ann's and got some hot dogs and a blanket. But that's all of the cupcake stuff. Highly recommend if you're around here to try this place out.
So we have just finished shopping and now we're getting lunch. So I have had a funnel cake from the store that we were just at, and Patrick had pigs in a blanket, and so Paxton is eating pizza. Mommy is making a ham sandwich for Daddy. And Patrick had pigs in a blanket. And I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. Patrick had pigs in a blanket. Shush. Patrick has pigs in a blanket. And Mommy is making... No. What are you eating?
I think I'm gonna eat leftovers from yesterday's lunch. What are you gonna eat, baby? You want a sandwich?
I don't know. So that's what we're doing. Making my face go cuckoo. I thought that was Patrick.